my YouTube family. Welcome to my YouTube channel Vintage Antiquities. How are you, friends? I hope you are all well and doing well. Friends, today's a video about different cross stitch pattern designs, also called char suti kadhai, also called in different languages. You can make these designs according to your choices and choose the ideas according to your things. You can make these designs on your different clothes, tonic tops, sweater designing, and bed sheets, pillow covers. Also make these designs on your dining table mats, kitchen mats. Friends, I hope you like these ideas. Tell me about your choices and your ideas. Share with me in comment section. These designs are very unique and very beautiful. Different patterns I make with cross stitch hand embroidery designs. You can take the screenshot and save in your gallery. You can choose the ideas in different style and share these designs with your friends and your family members. Also, friends, if you like these ideas, then you appreciate me on my efforts by subscribing my channel, by liking my video, and share the video with your friends and family members. Also press the bell icon, then you easily getting the notification of my new videos and choose the ideas according to your choice. These are very unique, stylish, and attractive pattern designing I have brought for you in my different videos. You can watch the videos till end and getting the ideas in your beautiful stylish cross stitch hand embroidery designing. If you want the ideas and pattern designing according to your choice, then you tell me in comment section. I will make the different design and present it in front of you according to your choice. These designs are making with different color combinations and use different thread for easily these cross stitch hand embroidery designs. These stitches are very unique and very beautiful. You can make easily and decor your home with these stitches and your clothes. You can make these designs on your handbags. I hope you like these ideas. Then you tell me in comment section. I am waiting your comments. Your comments is very important for me. Now friends, we meet in next video with different ideas and different videos. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Until then, take care. Bye.